Standard 6th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 9, Database in Excel 2016. Sorting data. Students, sorting means what? Sorting means arranging the data in a given order. In Excel, one can sort the data in one or more columns. The sort command will help you to sort the data in the column you select. The data can be sorted either alphabetically means ABCD wise or numerically means 1, 2, 3, 4. The data can be further sorted in the ascending order means 1, 2, 3, 4, otherwise ABCD to Z, or descending order means opposite 9, 8, 7, 6 or Z, Y, X, W to A. Okay. For instance, if you have a spreadsheet that has a list of the names of the students in your class, okay, you may like their names to be arranged in the alphabetical order. Okay, you want their names in the alphabetical order, ABCD wise. Then you have to sort the data. Follow the steps. First, what is the step to sort the data? First, highlight the data that you want to sort. Okay, select the data. If your spreadsheet has several columns across, it is very important to highlight all the relevant data. Second, click on the Sort Ascending button in the Sort and Filter group from the Data tab. The data will now be sorted in the selected column in the ascending order. Third, to sort the data in the descending order, what you have to do? On the Data tab, in the Sort and Filter group, you have to click on the Sort Descending button. Okay, your data will be sorted in the selected column in the descending order. Filtering the data. Now student, while working with a large set of data, it is difficult to get specific data. In MS Excel, filter commands helps you in such kind of situations. Filtering displaying the data as per your requirement means which one data you want, only that data Excel will show you, otherwise rest of the data will hide and hides the rest of the data temporarily. So we can say filter command helps users to find data as per certain set conditions. There are two types of filters, filter and autofilter. Filter. On selecting this command, a grey color drop down arrow appears to the right of the field name. Using this arrow, you can create your filter list. Autofilter. Advanced filter helps the user to search database for a set of conditions and copy the result in a different location. Thank you.